Shuba Eikhoi Imphal International Film Festival EIIFF asina Mapal lamgi Meesing Manipur da Laknabagi Saklon Louri haina Film Festival asida World Premeire show utkhiba Hangman gi Director Vihaan na TOMTV da phongdorakli wafam asi thasi gi mangadagi chatharakliba Film Festival asida saruk yabat lakhiba Director Vihaan ka ngasi TOMTV ka akhanana unaba amada mahakna phongdokhibani Hauzik chathariba Shuba Eikhoi Imphal International Film Festival EIIFF asigi matang da palladuna Hyderabad tagi filmmaker Vihaan na TOMTV da hai Eikhoi Imphal International Film Festival EIIFF da saruk yaba phangba asi apenba pok'i Film Festival asida mahakki film Hangman na ihan hanbo oina World Premeire tawbagi khudong chaba ama phangkhiba asi choktok chaningai oi Hauzik lamdam asida oiriba charang namba fibam asida Film Festival asina lamdam asi changbagi thong amagum Saklon Louri masi pumnamak asi art ki matik magunani haina lawi art na mioiba masel gi marakta nungsi chanaba purakpa amadi tangdu laitaba purakpak ngame lamdam asigi miyok micham asi yamna singthani ngai ni mahakna numit kharani mafam asida lairakpada khanglakpa lamdam asigi wari amadi haktheng narakpa sing punsigi kawbak ngamloi Hariba sing asi mahakna mahaki poknafam lamdamda puduna mahaki nangnaba singda wari ligani haina mahakna makata ke.
My film Hangman has its world premiere here in EIIFF 2025 and it's really good to be here and because I've made the film in Hyderabad and I was very apprehensive coming to Imphal and because I don't know how the audience will receive the film here. But it gives me immense joy and pleasure for the kind words of appreciation. Everybody were talking good things about the film and it's really an enriching experience for a first-time filmmaker like me. And also, from what I've been hearing and what we've all seen for the last 1-2 years or whatever, the chaos that's prevailing here. And this film festival opening up doors and welcoming people to Manipur. I think art has that power. It can bring a sense of peace and harmony into people's life. It can connect so many people, so many emotions together. And when I have come here, the warmth that I've received from people, I'll cherish. I have so many memories made in just the last 2 days and I'm looking forward to the closing ceremony tomorrow. I have so many stories that I've picked up from here and so many memories that I'll take back home and share it with my friends and family.
Film Festival asida mahakki film Hangman na ihan hanbo oina World Premeire tawba asigi apenba phongdokladuna mahakna makata na hai mahakki film Hangman asi festival asida ihan hanbo oina screen tawbada miyamna yamna ngakpa mongda thagalakhiba asina mahak masada achouba inot ama pire asigumba miyamgi support asina film kya puthokningmagi achouba thongna ama pire Eikhoi Imphal International Film Festival EIIFF asi matung tarakpada singthaningai oiba film festival ama soidana oigani haibagi thazaba chawna lei haina su mahakna makha takhe
Actually, because I'm already making another film, I would definitely want to participate in this festival next year also. But the way it's going, I know there is so much apprehension outside of Manipur regarding, but I think this festival will be really big next year. And with every subsequent year from there, it is going to be really big. And I wish more people from different countries, different states and all their work here, because this is a beautiful platform for everybody to unite, the storytellers, the filmmakers. There's a lot of networking, business sessions opening up. I think it's really beautiful. And I have this feeling that going at this pace, this film festival is going to be much bigger because the quality of films are also so good. I'm sure it'll only get bigger.